बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 9 जून 2024 के अखबार में। ज़राई तरक्याती बैंक लिमिटेड करियर अपॉर्चुनिटी ZTBL a AAA rated renowned specialized financial institution with a wide network of over 500 branches all across the country is inviting applications from energetic and challenge-oriented professionals with proven track record and capacity to perform as a catalyst for transformation in a challenging environment. The individuals who fulfill the basic eligibility criteria may apply for the contractual position based at ZTBL head office Islamabad. अच्छा जी, पोजीशन है हेड मॉनिटरिंग डिपार्टमेंट SAM ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है VP/SVP। एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 10 years पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस विद एट लीस्ट 5 years experience in SAM/remedial management, risk management, relationship management of commercial/SME/agri assets in banking sector. Qualification minimum bachelor's degree. Preference will be given to candidate having relevant master's degree from HSC recognized university or equivalent foreign qualification. Outline of main duties/job responsibilities. The incumbent will report directly to group head SAM, monitoring and management of infected portfolio, analysis of budget versus achievement and identify gaps, corrective measures. ये आप लोग रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का जो है वो स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी, इसका आप लोग ले लीजिएगा स्क्रीनशॉट। हाउ टू अप्लाई द एप्लीकेंट must possess excellent communication and analytical interpersonal adaptability and teamwork skills. Age limit up to 48 years as on closing date to apply. Applicants retired from any service under any government, i.e. federal or provincial, or from any organization, body, authority or establishment owned or controlled by any government or in which any government has controlling share or interest are not eligible to apply. Applicant dismissed, discharged, compulsorily retired, removed or otherwise terminated by previous employers on disciplinary grounds are not eligible to apply. Applicants convicted by a court of law are not eligible to apply. Applicants relieved under any golden handshake scheme/voluntary separation scheme ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है by whatever name from public sector organization for a period of 5 years are not eligible to apply. The above position will be contractual for an initial period of 5 years, extendable subject to performance. Market competitive remuneration will be offered. Interested candidates may apply online through website https://www.ztbl.com.pk/jobs till 23rd June 2024. For any related query, please contact Head Recruitment and Appointment ZTBL Head Office Islamabad at 05192522724 05192522724। एक और जॉब है ज़राई तरक्याती बैंक लिमिटेड की करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आर ZTBL are AAA rated renowned specialized financial institutions. The individuals who fulfill the basic eligibility criteria may apply for the position which are based at ZTBL head office Islamabad. अच्छा जी, इस्लामाबाद वालों की जॉब है। शरिया सेक्टर AVP number of position 1. Experience the Sharia scholar members with overall 8 years post qualification experience either in teaching/research and development in the field of Islamic finance or fiqhul muamalat. Preference will be given to those who have certificate in taqasul fil fiqh slash takhasus fil ifta. The period of takhasus fil ifta shall also be counted in the experience, adequate understanding of fiqhul muamalat and sharia related issues, strong understanding of Islamic jurisprudence, usule fiqh and fiqh methodologies for deriving juristic opinion. Qualification Shahadatul Alamiya degree Darse Nizami from any recognized BOA Madaris with minimum 70% marks, and bachelor's degree with the minimum of second class or postgraduate degree in Kulliyatu Sharia on Kulliya Usuluddin LLM with a minimum GPA of 3.0 और equivalent from any recognized university. Job responsibilities आप लोग चेक कर लीजिएगा, देख लीजिएगा, ठीक है जी। दूसरी जो पोस्ट है वो है पूल मैनेजर AVP. नंबर ऑफ पोजीशन 1, मिनिमम 8 years, पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस इन इस्लामिक बैंकिंग सेक्टर. Preference would be given to candidates having experience in Islamic banking, pool management and accounts handling. Qualification ACMA/ACCA/MBA Finance/M Com/BCom or any equivalent degree from HEC recognized university. Job responsibilities ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, मैनेज डिपॉजिट एंड ट्रेजरी पूल्स, ठीक है जी। तीसरी जो पोस्ट है वो है यूनिट हेड IT सपोर्ट AVP. नंबर ऑफ पोजीशन 1, एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम 8 years, पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस इन रेलेवेंट फील्ड, out of which 2 years experience of banking will be given preference. Qualification bachelor's degree from HEC recognized university और job responsibilities ये आप लोग देख लीजिएगा, इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। अच्छा जी, एक और जो पोस्ट है वो है सिविल इंजीनियर AVP. Civil Engineer AVP BSc Civil. Number of position 1, experience minimum 8 years, post qualification experience of building construction/repair and maintenance related works from any public/private organization. Preference will be given to candidate having experience of public sector. Qualification bachelor degree in civil engineering duly recognized by HEC and registered with Pakistan Engineering Council PEC. जॉब रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ का आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा. अदर स्किल्स/एक्सपर्टीज़ MS ऑफिस एप्लीकेशंस, AutoCAD, स्ट्रक्चर ड्राइंग सॉफ्टवेयर डिज़ाइरेबल ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है. अच्छा जी, इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट में अप्लाई ऑनलाइन थ्रू वेबसाइट https://www.ztbl.com.pk/jobs till 23rd June 2024. Applications received after due date will not be considered. Maximum age limit for AVP 45 years and for OG2 32 years are as on closing date to apply. Dual nationality holders are not eligible to apply for the post. Are not eligible to apply for the post. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. No TA/DF shall be admissible for interviews. We offer competitive remuneration package geared towards attracting best talent in the market. We are an equal opportunity employer. For any related query, please contact Head Recruitment and Appointment ZTBL Head Office Islamabad at 05192522724 05192522724. Required school staff. We are looking for experienced educational staff for our school. Higher secondary vice principal/section head. We are seeking an enthusiastic and organized candidate holding at least master degree along with minimum 5 years in a similar role. Strong communication, assessment, observation and computer skills required. Subject teachers for all subjects: physical education, Urdu, English, Islamic studies, commerce, mathematics, science. Subjects: computer, social studies /history/Pakistan studies, foundation stage, KGs and class teachers, BA/B.Ed, Candidates having master's degree along with at least 3 years of professional experience can apply. Candidates having regular BA plus B.Ed can apply for class teachers position. Foundation stage teachers must have minimum BA plus at least 1 year diploma in Montessori. Masters in early years education are preferred for this position. We offer attractive salary package, free transport and accommodation for females only. Note: candidate with education from non-chartered, virtual or distance learning institutions will not be called for interviews. Shortlisted candidates can be called for a physical interview to be conducted in Lahore and Islamabad in August 2024. For applying, please visit www.psa.sch.ae/jobs www.psa.sch.ae/jobs। तो जी ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो।
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।